Hey guys, welcome back again in the new video. In this video I will talk about union. So union means what? This is the operators that combine the results of two and more selected queries and remove the duplicates row from the rows automatically. Select select name, where we are selecting the name only from the first table, and the name, class, the so on we will select here. Like we are selecting the name and the class. Okay, from where? My student, right? It's very easy. And now what we have to do here, we can write here just union, and it will show you the name and class, also the next table data, whatever you want to here. Okay, suppose selecting here, select the student id. Okay, and marks, from marks, name and class name is implemented in a same class, same row, right? And also the marks and the student uh, class also get into the same column. Okay, the same column will get eliminate, means same column get implemented in the same row. Both column data will be in the same column. So like we want the name and name in a single line, then it will print. Also it can implement here, and that's why, means it combine the data in the same column, whatever column you will select here, right? From my name and class, right? Name and class I'm choosing here. And from my student, it's very easy to apply. And the union, just right, it will combine column by two column will combine in, means two and a four column will combine into two column, right? This way it's work. You can see also the name and a name will go into the name, and the id should go into this. I'm accessing here the student id from a student. Let's see what is happening. Though same, means two column four column will combine into two. One means name will name, and classes are also whatever you want to implement, it can be implement here. As a result, you can see here. Now it has some another way, means if you want to keep duplicate data in the table, you can also. So you have to just select the name and class from where you are accessing that name and class. From marks, this is the students. Okay, and then student, write student and hit the union, and union all means it will keep all the data. Now you can see the marks, the name and classes, means id and classes, name and classes and marks also get included in a one column, and the name also get included, name and subject will included in a single column. This is the work of union. And union all just remove the duplicates. It just prevent to remove the duplicates. Okay, and I hope you will get understand what is union.